Hello everyone, I am Professor Nayan Asne, Department of Information Technology, Parvatibai Genba Mose College of Engineering, Vaguri, Pune. So we are at the end of your 5th unit. So we have just 2-3 topics left. That is nothing but your activities for the development phase. Then we have comparison between the software quality assurance and quality control, and we have project risk management. So in this session we'll start with the activities in the development phases that need to be controlled or need to be assured. So the first activity is software concept and initialization phase. So the SQA activities must be involved in both in writing also and in reviewing the management plan also. So it ensures that all the processes, all the procedures and the standards that are appropriately and auditable. So both they should be appropriately written and they are auditable. So in this phase, the SQA activities also provide the SQA section, or we can say the quality assurance sections of the management plan. So all the plans and standards procedures are done appropriately or not. This is checked under the software concept and initialization phase. The second phase is software requirement phase. So in this phase, the software development, the SQA plan assures that all the requirements are completed from the customer point of view and all are tested. So it assures that all the functional performance, that is a function requirement, non-functional requirement, your interfaces requirement are assured and completed. Your third is software architectural design phase, that we can say the initial phase of the design phase, so in which we create the architecture. So the SQA activities in the architectural design phase include that first it ensures that it approves the design standards are properly followed. So whatever design standards that we have approved are totally followed while designing the software. Second, it ensures that all the software requirements are allocated properly to the software components, whatever software components we have at that stage. So all that requirements are allocated to that software components. The third is that it ensures that testing verification matrix is available and updated. So whatever testing verification matrix we have prepared, so that is available at the preliminary design phase and that is updated according to the software which we are going to develop. So it again ensures that the interfaces control documents are properly in the standards. So these things has been assured by the software quality assurance activity in the software architectural phase. The next is software detailed design phase. Now this was the architectural phase and then detailed design has been done under the software detailed design phase. So it ensures that in this phase the SQA ensures that the design standards are properly followed again. So it ensures that all the allocated modules are presented in detailed design. So whatever modules we have prepared, so all are in detailed design. It again ensures that the result of design inspection are present in design. Then CDR document are prepared. Then it ensures that all the actions items are resolved. Everything are put very clearly in the design phase. Then next is fifth one, software implementation phase. That means you are actually coding whatever design we have done. So that is coded in the software implementation phase. Actually it is merged in the design after the software detailed design phase. So the fifth one phase is software implementation phase, in which the result of coding and designing activities are included in the proper schedule which is available as per the development plan. So checking the status of all deliverable items, then configuration management activities has been done and software development libraries are checked. Then non-confirmation reports and the necessary actions are taken. So the detailed design phase again has the implementation phase. So in implementation phase we check for the code, we check for the design activities which are included in proper schedule or not, which we have planned in development plan. Then we are checking the status of the deliverable items and configuration management takes place. Then next phase comes, that is software integration and the test phase. So in this it ensures that the readiness for testing of all the components. So it tests all the components are ready or not for the testing. It's also ensure that all the tests are run as per the test plan and the procedures. So whatever test plans we have designed, whatever user story we have designed, so all the tests are running as per the detailed plan which we have prepared for the testing. Then it also ensures that the test reports are completed and in a corrected format. So once the testing is completed, the software quality assurance activity clarify it and ensures that it is out of the delivery. So everything if goes well, then the software documentation is prepared, testing documentation is prepared, and that are delivered. The next phase comes with software acceptance and delivery phase. So the SQA activities applied during the software acceptance and the delivery phase are taking care of assurance of the performance of the final configuration unit, or we can say the configuration audit. The next comes software sustainable engineering and operation phase. So in this, the mini development cycles takes place to improve the product. So that maintenance is taking under the software sustainable engineering and operation phase, where the mini development takes place for correction and improvement of your product. Once the product is delivered, if there is some correction, then we need to apply the sustainable engineering and operation phase for the quality assurance. And the last one is the techniques and the tools which are used for software quality assurance. So the software quality assurance activity must evaluate its needs for the assurance tools in comparison with the available tools. So like the tools like the audit, like automatic code standard analyzer, the inspection checklist are some of the useful tools which will be used for the software quality assurance. So these are the activities of the development phase which needs to be done under the SQA. That means the SQA should continuously monitor the activities in the development phase which are listed here. So next we have quality control. So basically the software quality control is a set of procedures used by the organization to ensure that a software product will meet its quality goals at the best value. So the customer can be continuously satisfied, and we can continuously improve the ability of the software as well as the ability of your product and your organization. So it is a set of procedures which is used by the organization to ensure the software product which meets the quality goal at the best value. Again, the software quality control refers to the specific functional requirements as well as non-functional requirements such as supportability, performance, usability. It also refers to the ability of the software to perform well in we can say the restricted scenario or riskful scenario, which will keep a relative defect low. So it should also work in a restricted scenario where the software can be have the defect or the software cannot run properly. So it should also run in such a scenario. So we have different quality control activities under the controlling the quality. So the activities are listed here, such as check that the assumption and the criteria for the selection of the data and the difference factor related to data are documented. So we need to document the data and criteria for selection of that data. The second is check for the transcription errors in the data input and the references. Then we need to check the integrity of the database files. Then consistency is check for the data. Then we have movement of inventory data among processing, which need to be correct. Then we check the unnecessary files and uncertain databases files. So we also undertake the review of the internal documentation. We need to check the methodological and the data changes resulting in recalculations. We need to check the completeness checkup of all the software, or we can say the product, and we can compare the result to the previous result. So these activities are done under the controlling the quality for your software product. As controlling quality control refers to a particular software, and the software quality assurance activity, that is the SQA, refers to the whole organization. Always we have to keep in mind the difference between the SQA and the software quality control and software quality assurance. So assurance is all about the organization. Software quality control is all about your product. So we'll need to see the difference of both. So here is the difference. So software quality assurance is a set of activity ensuring the quality of software engineering process. That activities are established, evaluated, the processes that produce the product. So it is all about the organization. It is all about the processes that runs under the organization. And quality control is the set of activities which ensure the quality of your software product. So which activities are included? Like finding the defect of your product. Second is like it is the process based, all the organization process based. So it is a product based. Software quality control is product based, or we can say the product focus. Third one is it is prevention oriented, as we can prevent the things from going wrong. In software quality control, it is the detection oriented. So after going things wrong, we are detecting it and we are correcting it. So quality control is after the detection oriented. Fourth is organization wide, as I have said, key software quality assurance is organization wide. All the processes under the organization need to apply the SQA. Likewise, software quality control is the product wise or the project wise. So whatever projects we are taking into the consideration, what product we are taking into the consideration, need to apply the quality control. The next is related to all products in the organization, and it is related to quality control is related to the specific product. The activities which are included in SQA, that is software quality assurance, is process definition and implementation and audit training. These are some examples, and the activities which are in software quality control are like review testing. So this is the basic difference between the software quality assurance and quality control, as the software quality assurance is a word, or we can say the organization wide process, and software quality control is the product based process. So everything we need to check about the product. In assurance, everything we need to check about the organization, the process which runs under the organization. So this we have completed until the quality control and the difference between them. We have 2-3 small topic remaining for the tools which are used for the quality control and project risk management. So that we'll see in the next session, probably tomorrow. So I hope this is understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment in comment box, or you can ask me in a Zoom session. Thank you.